Here's how I make sick fucking beats on FL Studio. I use this drum break I found online. Then I got this bass from Vital and added some effects. An Airy pad, also from Vital. As you can see, I'm very diverse with my plugins. And that's the full beat. Hopefully I can stop being a procrastinating bitch and lock in on editing and producing